This is the video going to show why APO's keypad and what's the difference between our keypad and the other brand's keypad. In this demo board is our most hot-sold 2800 series Wi-Fi keypad. This series of keypad is upgradable. End user can use the keypad as standalone, split decode, and upgrade with the Wi-Fi module to use mobile phone to do control. On the left hand side is our standalone keypad, and the bottom is the output of the keypad. And on the right hand side is the split decode output. The split decoder has three outputs, so it is output 1, 2, and 3. So, what's the meaning of standalone? Standalone means the keypad is directly control the door lock, which means the output, such as like this. If I insert the password from the keypad, it will drive the lock directly, and the doorbell output as well. Drive it directly. In the security side, standalone is not safety enough. If someone who is technically, they can open the keypad and trigger the output directly without insert any password. So APOs consider this security reason, we develop the split decoder. If you purchase the standalone keypad, you can upgrade anytime with purchasing the split decoder. It is a very easy connection between the keypad and the split decoder by using 3 wires, which is the 12 plus, 12 minus, and the data I/O. You can ask the keypad to change it into server mode, enter the programming mode, and then change it into server mode, and then exit the programming mode. The keypad will find the split decoder. Once it is successful, then we'll have a 2-beep sound. So now the keypad is going to send signal to the split decoder, and the split decoder is going to unlock output 1, 2, and 3. For example, you can see it now. You can see output 1 is on. Output 2, you can see output 2 is on. And output 3, you can see output 3 is on. The output on this side are driven by the split decoder, so the end user can upgrade their device anytime. Once they have the standalone keypad, they can purchase the split decoder for doing upgrade. It is a more security level for the end user and the office user. If the end user is more fancy, they can purchase the AP02 Wi-Fi module to upgrade their system to connecting to the Wi-Fi. So, end user, after using the Wi-Fi module, they can use remote control from the mobile app. They can do unlock from the mobile phone, such as output 1, output 2, output 3, and the doorbell output. If end user uses the split decoder and the keypad has the doorbell output, when they press the doorbell, the split decoder is the doorbell as well. This is why APO's keypad is more advanced than the other brand in the current market. The keypad is upgradable from standalone to split decode, and you can use Wi-Fi module to do Wi-Fi remote control.